Alright guys, another day, another trip to the lumberyard. Let's head across the street, grab our material, and get up to that job site. Alright guys, we're back up at this job site. I just took the 2x8s off of my truck. I still have some prime pine up here that we'll take off later, but we have a full crew here today. Everybody except my uncle, so there's a lot of noise going on. We got my father and one other guy up on the second floor finishing some framing up there. We have 4 guys up on the roof getting the shingles done, and Rodrigo is giving them material. We have one guy on the outside doing some stuff, and I have these 2x8s right here. I have our pattern down there. I have to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, 8. Yeah, there's one there. I was counting from the plywood. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more little rafters. So I'm gonna trace them and then cut them, and we'll get them installed. Alright guys, we got the roof on. All of the rafters are in. The plywood is on, but it is turning into an absolute wash of a day. We ended up taking the guys off the roof because of how much rain we're getting, but they're, I would say, 3/4 of the way up this side of the roof. It is absolutely pouring here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up too well, but we got everybody inside on the second floor doing some minor framing cleanup and hurricane straps and whatnot, or hurricane clips. I'm about to run and grab some lunch for us. Hopefully the rain will stop and we can continue on the roof today. That was the purpose of bringing the entire crew here, to get the roof done, but Mother Nature is not working with us. All right guys, the rain has cleared and we are back to work. We have a bunch of guys up on the roof above me, which is most of the banging you hear. That's actually coming from one of the guys out here doing plywood on the side. But we got quite a bit done while it was raining. We got all of the hurricane clips on every rafter down to the plate. These little metal things here basically tie the rafters to the plate rather than just the nails. But we got all of those done down both sides. We got the collar tie stiffeners in, which is all of these 2x4s off of the collar ties up to the inside of the rafters. Basically all they do is stiffen these collar ties so there's no shaking them. This is creating your flat ceiling here. I believe this whole ceiling is getting sheetrock, so you add those and it really stiffens it up. Plus, if you're walking up there at all for some reason, there's a lot less shake while you're walking. But we will have to get up there and get some of the garbage cleaned up. There is a ripped piece of shingle up there. They're dropping it down through the ridge where the ridge vent goes. So a lot of it is falling to this floor and I've thrown it out, but some of it you can see there's another piece hanging here. Let's see if I can reach it. Oh, so close. I can touch it. Let's try again. There we go. Got that one. Right in the dumpster. So close. Anyway, we got quite a bit done up here. Plus we got it cleaned up for the most part. Let me climb down and show you guys what we're working on outside. All right, so out here on the front, we extended the plywood down. You see this side, the framing comes all the way down to here, but there was a step in the concrete. So we added some 5 5/4 behind it to plywood it down. That way, when you're standing back here, all of the siding on the front looks the same. Well, it looks like the same level. And basically, this is what we're doing. We're tap conning some 5/4 into the concrete. Obviously, we had to drill the holes first. We have our well, there's our drill, screw, tapped on screws. Putting all that on there, and then a piece of plywood on top. That way, when you side, this is a level all the way across. All right, guys, we are just about done for the day. The roof is complete. We were uncertain if we were going to get it wrapped up today with all of the rain that we had, but it's been pretty dry. It is misting out right now. I doubt the camera's picking it up, but the roof is pretty much done. They are getting the last couple pieces of cap shingles on. All of the ridge vent is on, and obviously all the shingles are on. The other side is complete as well. We also got the little shed roof on the front of the garage done. They're just measuring it to get some weather watch on it, because we are not going to be here for the next couple days. Today is Thursday, and we won't be back here until Monday. Tomorrow it is going to be raining all day, so we're not going to be here. We are going down to the county where we usually work, and we're going to be on a couple of jobs there. I'm not exactly sure where I'll be, but that'll be tomorrow's video. Monday, the guys will be back here. I'm actually off on Monday, but on Monday they are going to wrap up the 2 roofs on the garage, and then my father is going to set all of the plates for the house. That is what I'm standing on right now. This is the house foundation, so he's going to take a guy with him and set all of these plates, and then Tuesday we are framing it, unless they start framing it Monday. It really depends on how quick it goes, but I'm sure they'll just worry about getting the plate set, and then Tuesday would be a full framing day as long as the weather is good. But we are very happy with where we're at, especially considering it was absolutely pouring on us for probably at least an hour today. So it is a nice check off the list to have the roof done. We don't have to go back up there. It's also a 10 pitch, so it's very steep. We want to get it done and get off of there. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.